The panel is running in serial with 4 panels outside. Temporary wire this, and this is my batteries. Right now you can hear all the high-pitched sound. I don't know if it's gonna hear it from the phone, but yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I can hear clearly. Even at 6 feet distance, you can hear this really high-pitched sound coming out from this board. Let me try to turn it off. As soon as I turn it off, the sound goes away. Even, I don't know, you can hear the pulsing. Everything is beep, beep. Yeah, it's just very high-pitched, but this is not the alert sound. Don't know why it's making this noise. And that sound went away. Oops, the fan kicked in. Anyway, now I can't hear the high pitch because of the fan noise. Anyway, it should turn off by itself in a sec.